In this video, you'll learn how to connect Webflow to Zapier. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully integrated these two platforms, enabling you to automate tasks and streamline your workflow. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once you reach the home page, look for the option labeled Sites in the left sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to your list of projects. Next, locate and select the Apps and Integrations option within the same left sidebar. This will direct you to a new screen displaying various applications and integrations available for your Webflow projects. It is essential to ensure you are on the correct dashboard to proceed. After that, click on the Manage button, which is typically found at the top of the integrations page. This action will load a new section where you can manage your connected applications. It may take a moment for the page to refresh, so be patient as the system processes your request. Once this appears, look for the Find an App option. This feature allows you to search for specific applications that can be integrated with Webflow. Click on it to proceed to the search interface where you can begin to find Zapier. Now type Zapier into the search bar that appears on the screen. This search functionality will filter the available applications. As you type, you should see suggestions populate below the search field confirming that the search is active. Click on the option labeled Zapier. Once it appears in the search results, this will take you to the Zapier app page where you can view more details about the integration. Make sure you are on the correct page before continuing to the next step. Now click on the Install App button located on the Zapier application page. This action will initiate the installation process. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the app is being added to your Webflow account. Wait for this process to complete. Next, you will see a prompt that encourages you to connect Webflow with various applications through Zapier. Look for the button labeled Connect Webflow to 8000 plus apps and click on it. This step is crucial as it allows you to start configuring your automation preferences. And there you have it. You have now successfully connected Webflow to Zapier. This integration allows you to automate tasks between Webflow and other applications, enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching and see you soon.